There's a bus getting towed. I've never seen that before. But anyway, we are at the Lucas State Office Building in Des Moines. Beautiful old lobby here. Let's go ride the elevators. Sadly, however, they have been modded. There's the original lobby card though, but let's see this where the old panel used to be. Looks like they meant to have an elevator right there too.
It is, yeah. It's probably more user-friendly than my little room that I don't really ever use.
There's a car up. Oh, but it gives me this one for some reason. This car. Totally modded. It's funny to see the new this car up indicator. You rarely see those on mods. Anyway, let's see where we can go. Down to G.
Floor G.
See if we go somewhere. I mean, there's 4 cars though, so I doubt it's gonna get us anywhere. We'll take a couple rides just up and down like this.
Floor 1.
We're all just sitting at the bottom here. We'll take one ride down and up. I'll call that a day. Oh, here we go. Oh, that wasn't very exciting.
Floor 2. Going down.
Switch from there. We'll get a full ride down. I get this one. L203.
Going down.
Funny, because that one's not locked. I guess they all got the maintenance at night. I'll go down to ground and leave there.
Floor G.
Okay, I'm gonna end it on one.
Going up.
Because I gotta make it to the Capitol before that closes. Elevator number 107. They must be counting all of the elevators in like all of the government buildings here in one big group. Because I highly doubt there's 107 elevators in this office building alone. Anyway, that will be all.